Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Payeer to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process has evolved with new features for better speed and safety, so let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have a verified account on both Payeer and Binance. You'll need USDT in your Payeer wallet, and it's crucial to check the network compatibility. USDT can be on networks like TRC20 or ERC20, so match it with what Binance supports to avoid any delays or lost funds. Step 1. Log into your Payeer account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select USDT. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input your Binance deposit address. To get that, hop over to Binance, go to your wallet, select USDT, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double check that the network matches what you're withdrawing from Payeer to prevent any transaction failures. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and fees. Payeer might charge a small fee, and blockchain networks could add more, so calculate that upfront to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. Payeer will show you a summary, including the destination address and fees. Once you're sure everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the transfer, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion in 2025. Head back to Binance and check your wallet to see if the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just wait and monitor the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. One last thing. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication on both platforms and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. You've now mastered transferring USDT from Payeer to Binance. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.